Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated ventilated seats, as well as Super Cruise, 22-inch wheels, power running boards, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior, the paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors your windows, with your seat memory, wooden chrome accents with the High Country badging there. You got these chrome power running boards, these power adjustable heated and ventilated leather seats, super comfortable. And left side will be your vents with your heads-up display control, as well as your 2- and 4-wheel drive mode selector and lighting control. And left side here will be your cruise control, forward collision alert, and your Super Cruise. And the right side being your voice recognition and odometer cluster control. 2 paddle shifters right behind. This is a camera for the Super Cruise. Make sure you don't fall asleep. And here on the odometer, so it's all digital. You can access all your vehicle information, including your adaptive cruise, Super Cruise, gauges, trailer brake, all that fun stuff, as well as audio, navigation, phone connectivity, and other settings. So it's going to be push to start and onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps, as you can see. And here you got your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as the side cams and the bed view, which is covered in snow. And you're also going to have your built-in Wi-Fi hotspot with Amazon Alexa and other downloadable apps. As you can see, this one's already got many apps downloaded. You're going to have lane keep assist and park assist and auto stop. Below that will be your integrated brake controller with the dual zone climate controls, the heated seats and the steering wheel, as well as 2 USB ports on the side, center console with a wireless charging pad, 2 more USB ports, and an AC wall charger there. Passenger side, power adjustable as well, High Country badging, wooden chrome all the way across, speakers and vents up top, regular and digital rear view, and then here you can access your reading lamps, on start SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're getting these 22-inch chromed aluminum wheels on Bridgestone Alenza tires with the High Country badging, 6.2 liter badging. You can see that right there. Chromed mirror caps. You got the chrome sun guards, door handles as well. The paint match corner step bumper, the dual exhaust, trailer hitch and 5th wheel asunder with the multi-flex tailgate. And the previous owner had extra bed tie downs embedded into the liner. It's a pretty spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, again, more paneling and storage. Next to the speaker, the power window and the wooded chrome accent. We got lots of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side with rear cup holders, rear vents, heated seats, and USB ports. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as storage behind the seats and storage under with lamps up top and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 High Country, equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as 22-inch wheels, Super Cruise, power sliding sunroof, heads-up display, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.